Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Tahidur Rahman Ayon. Today I'm gonna show you how can you share your Shopify website access with any of your staff or a freelancer. Even if you are providing Shopify website related services in marketplace or outside marketplace, you can follow these methods to get access from your client. So let's see it. First of all, if you are a website owner, what you need to do is go to the settings. If you go to the settings, then you can see an interface like this. Then you need to click on users and permission. After going to user and permission, you can see who has the permission in your store. So for example, you can see you are the store owner, your name will be there, and you can add staff from here. Just click on add staff, then fill up all the necessary information. Well, if you are a freelancer, then you must need to share your email with your client to get access of your client's Shopify store. And if you are an owner, you need to get your staff or freelancer email to provide him or her your website access. So as you can see, I have fulfilled all the information. Now you have to scroll down and select all the areas you want to share with your staff or a freelancer. So you can select all permission or you can customize all the permissions areas. After customize or select all permission, all you need to do is send invite and click on confirm. After sending invite, your staff or a freelancer will get an invitation message on his or her Gmail account. For example, if we check it, okay, you can see I have received an invitation to create a staff account. I need to click on that, then click create staff account. The invitation will expire in 7 days. So you need to message your freelancer or staff to accept the invitation as soon as possible. All he need to do is click on create staff account. After clicking on that, he or she will get an interface like that. Then he or she need to click on choose an account. Oh well, if he or she don't have any Shopify account, he or she need to create a Shopify account to accept the invitation. Then click on accept invitation. Done. You have got the Shopify website access. So let's check if this is the same website or not. All you need to click is click on online store. Then you can check this is our website. Also, if we can check from here, we can see from that. Okay, done. These both are the same website. I hope this video will help you to get access of your client's Shopify website access. Thank you everyone.